Oh, it's recording. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So we wanted to talk randomly.
Could someone help me?
What do you want to talk about?
Are you guys doing a video?
Yes.
Oh, yay.
That's a poll.
Just a lot of pictures with the red button blinking.
Oh! Make sure I don't drop that because I'm going to drop in.
So, why don't you explain what happened to us yesterday?
Okay, we went to Letitia's house.
Sorry. You're gonna kill my iPod.
You're going to
look at my clothes, but I don't.
That's why take
Okay.
it out.
Okay.
I'm going to jump again.
Don't jump again. We're doing a video. Splash you again. We walked all the way to Letitia's house, and then we were dying. But it only took us an hour, and then the whole time people were honking at us, and then one guy yelled "La migra," and I was like, "What the fuck, dude?" And he what is wrong with people? Why does everybody keep scaring
People
us?
are so weird.
It's like
I swear it was like 100 cars.
every car kept passing us and saying hi and honking. We were like, what? Have you seen on YouTube or what?
And then the guys in the truck, they were honking their horns all out. Like we
In
jumped every single time.
In the trash trucks. I was like, okay then. I think everybody had a plan to scare us.
Yeah, like they were all in it.
Yeah. Everybody who honked.
Like every other car was honking at us.
Yeah, it was, you know what? It was probably Letitia's fault. She had it planned. As soon as we told her we were going to her house, that's when it started happening.
That is when it started. It's all her fault.
It's all her fault.
It's all her
See,
fault.
Letitia, it's your fault if you're watching this, which you're probably
Letitia?
not.
It's your fault. It's all your fault.
Why? So we're in the jacuzzi right now
Yeah, with the bubbles.
because we
I love
just got
that.
out of the pool. Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
It's mine.
No, it's not. It's mine.
Okay, anything else you want to add?
I like cereal.
Oh, tell them about what we saw last night.
What did we see last night?
Oh, we watched Six Souls and Fingerprints. You guys should watch those movies. They're on
They're
Netflix.
thebomb.com.
They're awesome.
Ask your mom.
Yeah, I saw it.
Ask
Did you ask her?
Yes, it to me.
Did you ask her yet? Pause the movie, go ask her. Come back.
Push it to me. I saw it. They're scary.
Yeah, that's it. I have a comeback. The only comeback I have is, well, you know, that's it.
Oh, what the heck?
Don't drown now before we get in trouble.
Yeah, my mom was scared of leaving me at the pool because she thought that I was going to.
Oh,
You know what? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
bye.